So today we have DJi. It's a new year, and we are going to unboxing DJi Osmo Pocket 3. It's a latest version, and it just launched a few months ago. So let's see. We can open. We can check what it has. So here we can check. Because we buy a full package. So let's see what we have inside. So number one. Oh. So as usual, the manuals, good looking pouch or bag. You can check it. Oh, it's look very heavy. Let's open it. Oh, it's a lot of stuff inside. So first of all, we have the mic for sound. Here we go. Let's check what we have. Oh, it's a power bank for charging slot. Another one. Here we have another adapter, because when you need to stand to take a use on the table. So here we have another thing, his stand. We can use it, his stand. And here we go, the most awaited thing, the camera. So let's see. First we use this. So it's like that, and here we have the stand. So now you can put on the table like that. So we need to check it and open it if we have. So here is a sticker, we need to remove it because we want to use it. So the language, we choose the English, and after this, oh, we need to do some settings. So we need some settings. So here we have a front cam and back cam. We can turn it to the back, so it will move like that. When you turn to the front, it will be like that. So let me show you guys. Here, look how it's fastly move. So let's see. Check it again and turn it again. Okay. From here, if you want to move the camera back and forth, you can do that. Oh, it's so cool. So here we go and we can check it. It's look very nice. Let me check it how we can. Oh, so here we can rotate this like that, and okay, so here you guys can up and down. So here is a gear where you can control the camera. Let me show you the zooming. So here we can do zoom out and zoom in. Check it. Wow, it's so cool. So very nice and flexible, and its focus always. It's very nice. So I will make some videos on it and show you guys. Oh, it's not rotate 360. So let's see what other we have in the box. Another one is the box. We can, maybe it's have extra battery. No, it's not a battery. It is a cover for the camera. So cover. So this is the complete set. Let me close it again. So here is a charger, and we have only one mic. So we don't need a receiver because it's have a mini computer. At a time it's work with a receiver. Let's see if we can connect it. Oh, it's already open and it's automatically connected. Okay, so when we okay, so how we can connect, let me try it. It's very nice. Bye bye, see you next time.